How to set up privacy settings in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we'll explore on how to adjust your WhatsApp privacy settings for better protection. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device. If you haven't done this yet, please install the app and log in now. Once you're ready, let's just change your privacy settings. On the top right of the app, you will see 3 dots. Click on them to access the settings. Now click on settings, that is just below the starred messages. Now go to the privacy option that is below the account option. Click on it. And here you will find the various settings regarding who can see your personal information, including your last seen, online status, profile picture, about info, and status updates as well. So to hide your profile picture, click on the profile photo option. And you can now select nobody, which is the last option. And if you prefer to share your profile picture with your contacts, choose my contact. Next, go back and select the about section. You can change this setting to my contacts as well. Furthermore, you can adjust the last seen online settings also and set the last seen visibility to my contact. And for the one who can see when I am online option, change it to same as last seen. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your WhatsApp privacy settings, and it's really that simple. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.